Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we go with this video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click on the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video. In today's video I'll be showing you how I literally fix my noisy generator. Whenever I put it on, I hear a lot of clunky noise coming from the gen and it's so frustrating. So I seek out to this guy. He's one of the best generator repairer in my area, and honestly he gave a good job and I'm very impressed. So I think he worked on the cylinder first, and then he works on the silencer. He puts in some packing to make it feel so tight, and I think after all this, everything got fixed and the noise actually reduced by approximately 80%, and still good, still fair. So here is he trying to fix it back, and I don't want to make this video much longer. In the next video, I'll be showing you how the gen was actually fixed perfectly, because he still fixed one or two things apart from this that I'm showing you. So I hope you love this video. I hope you learned from it.